Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. So today is Friday, May 19. The time is 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the S&P 500. This is S&P cash 45 minutes time frame. This is not the future, by the way, so it's only open when the market is open. Okay, and here we can see we ended with 3 here, with 4 was a clear 3-ways pullback, right, which is corrective, ended here. Now it extends higher and break above the previous peak, so it has already started the next leg up. And so far, as you can count, this one looks to be only 3 swings so far from the lows, right? 1, 2, 3, and all this little pullback in the middle seems to be only the subdivision. Okay, so this is what this suggests, is that we should continue to see more upside, at least in the shorter cycle. If you project the extension here, we hit the 100% already. We could still continue to see a little bit more upside before we finish with 3, right? So again, with 3, typically at least 100%, it can go as high as 1.618. And then from there we should be getting a 4 in the black and then 5 in the black before we end 5 in the red. So again, our main focus is just in the shorter cycle in this video. So in the shorter cycle, what we're looking for therefore is more upside to complete this 5 waves impulsive pattern, right? You got a clear nice separation here, which is your wave 3. And we should be able to get a few more highs here before we finish 5 waves up from May 4, and then we can get 3-ways pullback from there. Okay, so that's the update here for today. A simple update in the shorter cycle. If you want to get more updates on S&P or any other indices, Forex, commodities, and so on, feel free to check our service. We have 14-days trial. The link is in the description of the YouTube video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.